What's good, y'all? Back again. Today I'm trying Publix deli. Well, I've had them before. Pretty good food. But I got the chicken tender sandwich, the classic chicken tender sandwich with some voodoo chips. If you don't know, these are classic. Go pick you some. And I'm trying something different today. I got natural peach tea. Yeah, I usually just drink a lot of water, but I'm gonna try that today. When I get to the house, I'm gonna get some water. So let's try this sandwich out. $7.99, man. Better than probably Subway. So let's see. But it kind of messed up my sandwich, I think. So we'll see how it goes. Yeah, he definitely did that. We're gonna fix this up real quick so I can show y'all. Yeah, he definitely did that. Definitely messed it up. It's all good though. Just gonna put one tomato on there. It's not as pretty as I wanted it to be, but yeah. You know,
Always watch your back.
yeah, the bread is a bit dry, but food adds more flavor to it. So I'm gonna give it a nice 7.5. You know, the bread could make it a little bit better, but it is what it is. Yeah. 7.5. Definitely. But it's gonna get egg. Yeah. Y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day, man. Watch some football, relax, have fun, be safe.